DJI continues to be the dominating force within the drone industry, being the leading figure in aerial imaging innovation. At the moment, the drone community is abuzz with rumors surrounding the upcoming Mini 5 Pro that will supposedly take the Mini 4 Pro's place. In this video, we will investigate the latest speculations and gossip about this upcoming drone. We will discuss all current information regarding the great new addition to DJI's brilliant collection, coming with some potential upgrades and so forth. Without further delay, let's begin. Fans of the Mini series will be happy to know that the DJI Mini 5 Pro is said to keep the overall compact form factor that the series is known for. It is rumored that a sleeker design employs a better aerodynamic profile, which comes from the Mini 4 Pro design, while offering minor ergonomic changes. The drone is likely to remain within the sub-250-gram weight class. Possible design changes may include better folding mechanisms along with stronger materials, as well as some new colors to help with the aesthetics and designs and functionalities. While the landing mechanism is still a subject of discussion with users wanting for better stability and protection for the undercarriage of the drone, improvements in this area are certainly expected. Structural improvements may introduce a greater durability factor without compromising on the series' lightweight trait. Expectations and speculations surround the DJI Mini 5 Pro's technical features. One of the possible improvements could be a major sensor upgrade, possibly switching from a 1.3-inch sensor to a larger 1-inch sensor. The camera's resolution may increase from its current 12 megapixel to 20 megapixel. Increases in range and stability for wireless transmission could result in longer transmission distances and less interference. It is anticipated that sensor technologies like as-location and obstacle avoidance systems will improve. Possible connectivity options include stronger remote control integration, better Wi-Fi protocols, and possibly better GPS capabilities. It is expected that the DJI Mini 5 Pro will introduce a number of innovative features. By improving on the systems presented in earlier generations, Vision Assist technology is anticipated to offer improved obstacle detection and navigational capabilities. AirSense technology may provide extensive safety measures that enhance overall flight safety by identifying neighboring aircraft. The drone could feature more sophisticated active track capabilities, which will help for more flexible subject tracking across various scenarios. Portrait orientation shooting might become a standard feature, expanding creative possibilities for content creators. Upgraded gimbal stabilization is one of the rumored enhancements that might deliver improved image and video stabilization methods. Software features might include more intuitive flight modes, advanced intelligent flight options, and potentially more comprehensive automated shooting scenarios. The integration of more advanced AI-driven flight and photography features could set the Mini 5 Pro apart from its predecessors. The expectations for the DJI Mini 5 Pro are skyrocketing, and it's expected to be quite a lot better than the Mini 4 Pro. With rumors of 4K at 60 frames per second or even higher, video capabilities may go beyond the existing 4K at 30 frames per second. The Mini 5 Pro's more sophisticated aerodynamic design could provide better wind resistance than the previous model. Significant improvements to navigation systems are possible, providing smoother flight paths and more accurate placement than the preceding model could provide. More responsive and dynamic flight characteristics are expected to be introduced in the upcoming Mini 5 Pro. Advanced sensor fusion technologies may offer more stable hover capabilities to solve some of the concerns with the Mini 4 Pro's positioning accuracy. Low light performance is another critical area where significant improvements are anticipated, overcoming the limitations experienced with the previous model. Battery technology represents a critical area of potential improvement for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Users are hoping for a significant leap in flight time, with expectations of reaching 40 minutes per charge. The intelligent battery concept might be further refined, providing more efficient power management and a longer overall battery life cycle. There's speculation about potential improvements in battery cell technology, possibly utilizing more energy-dense battery compositions that could extend flight times without significantly increasing weight. The release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro was speculated to occur around September 2024. Now fans are expecting an official announcement within mid-2025. However, price expectations are centered around the $700–800 range, positioning it as a premium offering in the compact drone market. The pricing strategy will likely be carefully balanced to offer compelling value while reflecting the anticipated technological improvements. Potential pre-order promotions and early adopter incentives might be part of DJI's marketing approach. The DJI Mini 5 Pro faces a critical challenge in distinguishing itself from the Mini 4 Pro, which was criticized for offering minimal upgrades. The drone community's expectations are substantially higher this time, demanding more than incremental improvements. Unlike the Mini 4 Pro, which was perceived as a modest iteration, the Mini 5 Pro needs to deliver significant technological advancements to justify its potential price point. The rumored improvements in sensor technology, battery life, and intelligent features could be the differentiating factors. However, DJI must overcome the skepticism generated by previous minimal updates. The success of the Mini 5 Pro will ultimately depend on its ability to introduce genuinely innovative features that expand the capabilities of compact drone technology. If the anticipated upgrades materialize, it could represent a meaningful leap forward. If not, it risks being perceived as another marginal update that fails to excite the drone enthusiast community. The DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to raise the bar for compact aerial imaging equipment. For enthusiasts and content creators, the potential upgrades in sensor technology, flight performance, and intelligent features make this a compelling prospect. While skepticism remains about the Mini 4 Pro's modest improvements, the rumored enhancements suggest a potentially significant leap forward. Given the potential for a more sophisticated camera system, longer battery life, and improved flight capabilities, fans might find themselves anxiously awaiting this release. More than just a new product, the drone may be interpreted as a declaration of DJI's dedication to innovation in the small drone sector. Although it is unclear if the Mini 5 Pro will actually be a huge improvement over its predecessor, the excitement and possibilities surrounding it are undeniably exciting. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more contents like this.